It's almost 3 o'clock. May 5th. Ooh, look at that, 77 degrees. Oh, May 5th, that's Cinco de Mayo.
It is, and it's also boating season, opening day. I'm thinking let's just do something light, maybe finger foods, jalapeno poppers, a little mango salsa, and obviously guacamole.
Oh, sounds
what do you
good.
think?
I love it.
Let's get cooking. Olé! I'm going to start with the jalapeno poppers first. It takes a little bit more prep than all the other sides. So let's get going. You ready? You want to help?
I don't think she wants to help.
So there's a lot of recipes out there for jalapeno poppers, and everyone has their own variations. And obviously, I'm going to have my own. It's still the same basis. It's jalapenos. It's cream cheese. I use a little bit different cheese. It usually calls for cheddar cheese. I think it overpowers it. I use bacon, of course. I use a little bit of Mexican cheese and mozzarella, and I like the crumbling cheese from Mexico. I think it gives it a little something different, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get bacon going. So now that everything has been prepped, I'm going to go ahead and make the filling. So now that the ingredients are all in, I'm going to just go ahead and give it a quick stir, and it's ready to stuff the peppers. Get that really nice incorporated. Looks yummy, huh?
Looks delicious.
We can actually even do this as a dip too.
Really?
Add the jalapenos to it, bake it, and
So is this spicy?
kind of. I can add more of the seeds into it to add a little bit more heat.
Uh-oh, what are you doing?
Tell Emma.
Don't tell her what? That you just threw a handful of seeds in there?
I just put in a couple seeds. Slowly, I've been adding a little bit more spice to her diet to get her used to it. She hasn't said anything yet, so.
We'll see. She'll notice. It doesn't matter. I'll love it.
I used to rule the world. Seas would rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sleep alone. Sweat the streets like...
She makes me happy. That's like one of my favorite songs. Alright, so canola oil is heating up, and while I'm waiting for that to get really hot, I'm going to go ahead and stuff the peppers with the mixture and the filling, I guess. And then I'm going to roll it in milk, flour, and breadcrumbs. Okay, so this is when it gets kind of messy. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this in the milk. Just get it all wet. And then roll it in the flour. Get that all nice and coated. I actually kind of let it sit here and let it dry a little bit before I do that again, and then roll that in the breadcrumbs. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing again, only with breadcrumbs. So, it's dry. Really make sure that it's really packed in there with the breadcrumbs.
Okay, so what's next?
I gotta go wash my hands and then we'll go fry it. Want to taste? It's time to test the oil.
Is it hot enough?
I think it's hot enough.
Let's get these poppers going.
Let's get going.
My mouth is watering.
It smells good, doesn't it?
It does.
Nothing like fried poppers. Let's just do 5 at a time.
How long does it take?
It'll take about 3 to 4 minutes.
Do I get a test one?
No, it's all for me. This is all for me.
We'll see.
Okay, last batch is in. While this is frying, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the mango salsa. I like doing this just a little ahead of time so that it can go into the fridge and get all the flavors to kind of marinate together. My mango salsa is really easy to make and really quick to pull together. I just need a couple of mangoes, I need a couple of peppers for crunch, I add the jalapeno for heat, maybe 2 if you want it a little bit extra hot, a lime, and obviously I just add my spring mix. The spring mix is already pre-made, so I just go ahead and toss a handful of that in and we are all ready for mango salsa. Time to bring up the heat.
Not too much.
Ooh, I could smell the heat now.
I even added some of the seeds in there too. One of the best things I like about making this is before I mix it all together is looking at all the colors. Everything is now cut and prepped. I'm going to give it a quick mix, add 2 limes in it, and let it marinate in the fridge and chill. I don't have much time left, so I'm going to make a quick guacamole and then we'll go ahead and plate up and head off to our marina party. It's just a couple avocados, tomato, lime, jalapeno, and my spring mix, and we are good to go. One last squeeze of lime, then I'll do a quick stir.
And then we can eat it?
Yeah, we can eat it.
Good. Hey, oh gosh, do we have chips?
How can you not have chips with guacamole?
Okay.
That's crazy talk.
I was panicked for a second.
Don't panic. I got you covered. Food is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna have some friends come over to help celebrate Cinco de Mayo, and it is a gorgeous day. So I hope you're inspired, and I think I'm gonna go and make some palomas for us.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Yeah. Let's go.